Hi guys, this is my Coding Ninja project. Today in this video, I will show you alarm clock project assignment given by Coding Ninja. Let me show you my code here. This is my VS Code here and this is my code. This is HTML code, all HTML code written in here. This is my JavaScript file, all JavaScript code written in here, and this is my CSS file, all CSS code written in here. Now move to a project. This is my alarm project, the time fetching alarm on the laptop timing, and this is the title here, and this is a timing here. For example, if you want to go to the gym 5 a.m. in the morning, will we set an alarm? Just type gym and set the alarm 05 00 00 a.m. The alarm will be set. The alarm will alert you as soon as it hits in 5 a.m. I show you. I put the time on the current time 02 01 02 02 00 p.m. Now see, alarm will be alert. The time is fetching. Okay, thank you so much. This is my alarm clock project.